is this one. So what is the problem? A monkey is climbing a rope that goes over a smooth light pulley and supports a block of equal mass at other end. Show that whatever force the monkey exerts on the rope, the monkey and the block move in the same direction with equal acceleration. Initially, both were at rest. Their separation will not change as time passes. Okay, so that is the thing we have to show. Okay, so if the two masses are same, the system will not slide by itself. It will remain in equilibrium. If the mass of this monkey is m and mass of this object is also m. Okay, so if you consider this object to be mirror, suppose, so monkey can see his face in the mirror. Okay, so monkey can see his face in the mirror, and now if monkey tries to apply a force on the string, larger force, initially there will be force mg in the string, so that mg is balancing both. But if monkey suppose tries to climb, so he has to apply some larger force. In that case, the tension will increase, and as tension increases in left one, the tension will increase in the right one also. So in both the direction, the acceleration will be t minus mg equal to ma, and mass is same on both directions, so t minus mg by m. So this will be acceleration on both sides. So both of them will move up together. The monkey will climb on the rope, but by whatever amount the monkey climbs, the mirror will also go up by the same amount. So monkey can always see his face in the mirror. Okay, so if their masses are same, they will not slide, and if monkey tries to climb, the mirror will also climb with the same acceleration and they will remain together. Just reverse of it, if monkey suppose loosens his hand on the string, or if he slides down on the string, so he is coming down, the monkey is sliding down. In that case, the tension will be less in the string, and in that case, if tension becomes less, the mirror will also slide down. So in the both directions, not only for climbing, if the monkey is going down, in that case also the mirror will go down together. Okay, so in this way we can say the two objects are moving together. Any doubt?